Good morning and welcome to morning wrap up for your investment strategies and trading setup. Today is 27th of June, Monday. A short disclosure before start. The stocks or sector mentioned here are not buy or sell recommendation. It is just to update what is happening all around in the market. The FII's long short position in the Indian index is absolutely my own interpretation. So it's not any intraday or positional trade recommendation. It may give you an approximate idea about where Nifty is likely to go in coming days. I have a suggestion: seek investment or trading advice only from SEBI registered advisors. So let's begin. Friday, US indices were firm. US market closed average 3% up on Friday. Europe was also strong on Friday. FTSE closed more than 2.5% up. CAC closed 3.25% up. DAX closed 1.6% up on Friday. Other Asian indices were also firm on Friday, average 1% up. This morning, Nikkei is trading 0.75% up. China is trading flat. Now, Brent crude Friday closed 113.1. However, currently trading soft at 108.4. Oil prices fell as G7 debate on Iran nuclear deal. Natural gas prices after natural gas prices was flat on Friday after Thursday's fall from 6.8 to 6.2 level. Overall, NG shaded significantly 35% from its 8th June high of 9.65 USD per MMBTU. Base metal prices were bit soft on Friday after Thursday's fall in copper prices from USD 3.86 to 3.74. Friday copper was flat. Overall copper shaded 18% from its 3rd June high of 4.577 USD per kg. Zinc prices plunged on Friday around 4%. In MCX, zinc future closed 297 rupees per kg. Tin prices fell almost 9% on Friday, closed around 24,590 in MCX. Nickel prices fell 2.5% on Friday at 181.95 in MCX. This cooling of base metal prices are a silver lining for various sectors where companies will find relief in terms of margin pressure. Let's come to the currency desk. USD INR is holding firm above 78. Friday, USD INR closed 78.25. Dollar index is also holding firm at 104.32. Let's come to the event part. As Friday we discussed, UK retail sales and US new home sales data were to come out. Friday, UK retail sales rose 0.6% in May after 1% rise in April. US new home sales rose 10.7% in May from a month earlier. However, economists are expecting contraction in this market in coming months as mortgage rates have climbed to 6%. So overall, this various data are still positive amid this risk of recession. Today, no major data to be released. Let's come to Indian market. Friday, there was some long unwinding in Indian indices by FIIs amid this strong market condition. In the cash market, Friday, FIIs sold around 2,353 crore. Net cash inflow from DIA stood at 2,213 crore. So net cash outflow by FIIs in this fiscal from 1st of April till Friday last week was around 1.4 lakh crore while net cash inflow from DIIs stood 1.24 lakh crore in this fiscal. Now come to corporate action part. Balkrishna Industries Limited, it has final dividend of rupees 4 per share. 27th of June today is the record date for this dividend. Nazara Technologies, its bonus issue 1:1, record date is 27th of June today. Salasa Techno Engineering Limited, its stock split from face value 10 to 1. Today is the X date, and tomorrow 28th of June will be the record date for Salasa's stock split. Let's come to news part. The first news is from the textile desk. India seek to capture world market to become USD 30 trillion economy soon, as told by Union Minister Mr. Piyush Goyal. The minister said under the guidance of PM, the center is working actively with different countries to finalize free trade agreement which will give zero duty access to the textile sector in the world market. Union Minister Piyush Goyal said in all sectors, India wants to become a global industry. He added, India wants to capture the world market. According to the minister, India would reach USD 30 trillion economy mark from the level of 3 trillion economy. The textile industry has a huge potential for generating jobs. In this context, I would like to mention that textile industry is was languishing for a quite long time, which government has been trying to revive, and last almost 1 year government is emphasizing revival of textile industry with various policy changes and PLI scheme. Government is also mulling to end import duty waiver on cotton by September 30th this year. As prices of cotton has started easing in the international market, government may end the duty exemption in to protect domestic producers. Union Minister for Commerce and Industry and Textiles Mr. Piyush Goyal also said that the government was also formulating a scheme to promote indigenous manufacturing of textile machinery. The minister also said that discussion has been going on to come out with our another uh, production linked incentive scheme for the textile sector. On the context of textile machinery, I will come out with a video on textile machinery sector in India, its opportunity threat, listed players like Lakshmi Machineries, Indian card clothing, and Stovik Industries. The special focus will be on Lakshmi Machine, and the company is a market leader. We will be discussing over there on industry, industry condition, opportunities, threats, uh, Lakshmi Machines revenue, financials, entire financials rather, and valuation. Another news is from the Adani Enterprises, that Adani Enterprises backed Kutch Copper on Sunday, announced setting up greenfield copper refinery project for the production of refined copper with 1 million ton per annum in two phases. The company has raised a debt of 6,071 crore by a consortium of banks led by State Bank of India for the first phase. There is a big news on acquisition. This is from Zomato. Zomato has proposed acquisition of Blinkit. We know that Blinkit was formerly Grofers. It stated that board has approved acquisition up to 33,018 equity shares of Blinkit Commerce Limited from its shareholders for a total purchase consideration of 4,447.48 crore at a price of rupees 13.45 lakh per equity share. The transaction will be carried out through issuance and allotment of up to 62.85 crore fully paid up equity shares of Zomato, having face value of rupees 1 each at a price of 70.76 per equity share. Zomato shares closed 70.15 on Friday. Blinkit is a quick commerce marketplace delivering grocery and the other essentials to customers within minutes. Average delivery time of Blinkit in the month of May 2022 was less than 15 minutes. Blinkit also facilitates last mile delivery of products to customers from the dark stores. The delivery radius of for a dark store is typically less than 2 kilometers, which allows the quick delivery of products. Gross order value of Blinkit in May 2022 was 402.8 crore, jumped 36% since January 2022. And this gross order value is one fifth of Zomato's monthly average. Revenue of Blinkit in January 2022 was 22.1 crore, zoomed more than 2.5 fold at 58 crore by May 2022. The company reported rupees 204 crore of loss in the month of January at EBITDA level. However, the loss got minimized in the month of June at rupees 107.7 crore. Next news is from GET&D. ICRA downgrades long-term credit rating of GET&D for its fund-based and non-fund-based facilities from A plus to A with negative outlook due to decline in company's financial performance. So this was all for the day. We will meet again tomorrow this time. Thank you so much for watching.